Hello and namaste. Today I'll be doing a book unboxing today. So I got this package from Amazon. So this is the package and the book inside it will be Attitude is Everything by Jeff Keller. So guys, during this sale, Amazon Great Indian Festival, I got it at 50% discount and I think the price was 200 and I only got it for 99 rupees. So let's start the unboxing video, guys. So as you know, here's the package and now I'll unbox it. Just cut it off and there it is. Yeah, the book. And I think here's the receipt. Unfortunately guys, Amazon has not given me any bookmark, they usually don't give any bookmarks or like that. So let's put away this and now let's see the book. So it is Attitude is Everything, Change Your Attitude and Change Your Life by Jeff Keller. So I think it's a really good book and I will also recommend everyone this book because its genre is self-help and you know what, it's a really good book to read and I think it's really easy because I read the reviews and all that stuff. So I think it contains only 128 pages and it's all about success. We can achieve success if we dream. So guys, let's end this video and guys, please give it a like and subscribe my channel.